chapter from your inspired math, your math book, that is multiplication. Okay, multiplication. As you can see on the board, I have written already. Okay, before that I request, please do watch these videos and like and subscribe. Okay, I have observed that many of you are not just going through the videos. We people are just making for you now, so please watch the videos and hope you will find it very very helpful for you. So I have to start multiplication. First of all, what is multiplication, right now? So let us recall. In second standard, means in your previous class, definitely you learned some tables, right now? Like table of 2, it was table of 2, 2 1 ja 2, right now? 2 2 ja 4, then 2 3 ja 6, and so on. In that way you learn the tables. So as you can see now, 2 multiplied by 1 means this cross is indicating to multiplication sign, right now? It is multiplication sign. We can say that product of 2 and 2 is 4. Am I right now? 2 2 ja 4. It is what? It is product of two numbers, na? And these numbers are what? 2 and 2. Or it is 2 3 ja 6, means 6 is the product of 2 and 3. Or we can say 6. If I am just writing 2 3 ja 6, okay? Or I am just writing 3 2 ja 6, right now? So we can say 6 is the product of 2 and 3, or 3 and 2, right now? So this thing I hope it is clear to you. But if I have to define what is multiplication, okay, so I can say multiplication is repeated addition. Okay, repeated addition. Let us see how I can say that multiplication is repeated addition. Okay, let us take again I am taking the table of 2. It is 2 3 ja 6, right now? Or it is 2 2 ja 4, or 2 1 ja 2, right now? I can write 2 times if I am adding 2 times, na? 1 and 2. So we are getting 4, right? Or if I am writing 3 times 2 plus 2 plus 2, it is 6, right now? Now, as you can see, 2 is repeated how many times? 2 times. Okay, so we can write it 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Okay, and here 2 is repeated 3 times. So I will write 3 multiplied by 2, 6. We are getting same answer, right now? Let us see some more examples. For example, there are 4 groups of flower. Okay, this is one group, this is second group, this is third group, and here I will draw fourth group. First group group, second group, third group, fourth group. As you can see, each group is containing equal number of flower, right now? So how many groups are there? How many groups are there? Total 4. I can write, if I am just writing in the form of repeated addition, okay, so I can write 2 plus 2, 2, then again 2, then again 2, then again 2. It means 4 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we are getting? 2 to the 4, to the 6, to 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 plus 2, 8. Not 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. That's a different thing that we will do in the multiplication. Here we are adding now. So we will do 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, now if I will write the multiplication fact. Okay, what I am writing? Multiplication. I am writing in short because there is not so much space for me. Okay, so multiplication fact. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. I am asking about group. Flowers are 8, but groups are 4. So I will write 4. Now, how many flowers are there in each group? 2 flowers. So I'll write 2. We will get answer 8. In that way we can see now that it is 8 means if I am adding 4 times 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, so answer will be 8. But if I am just multiplying 4 multiplied by 2, then also we will get answer 8. Okay. What is the purpose? Why we are just going for multiplication? We can add also, na? We can add also. We are going for multiplication when you have to add 100 times same number. For example, 50 you have to add 100 times. Okay, 50 plus 50 plus. How many times you will write in your copy? Okay, it will be quite inconvenient. So, what we are doing, we are choosing multiplication. If 100 times we have to add 50, we will write 100. Our number is 50, so 100 multiplied by 50. In that way we can do it. For that purpose, it is easy just to write 4 into 2 instead of 2 plus 2 plus 2. It was 4, so we have written easily. If 4 groups were there, we have written easily. If in place of 4 groups we were having 10 groups, 20 groups, then it will be get a little bit difficult. That's why we are choosing multiplication. Okay, the same thing I just told you. Tables are what? Tables are means we are multiplying. Here you can see if we have to make the table of 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 multiplied by 1. So 2 1 are 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2 are 4. Then 2 3 are 6. It means 3 times it is 2 is added. So we are getting 6. I hope this concept is clear to you. Okay. Now I am taking one more problem. How to represent multiplication on number line. How to represent multiplication on number line. Okay, number line, let us draw a line. From here I can start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I have written up to here. For example, if I want to present 4 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 3. Okay, it means this 3 is added 4 times. Right now, this 3 is added 4 times, then only we are getting 12. So we can say that 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12. I hope you understood, right now? Now, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so what we will do? We will start from 0, then 3, okay, because 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus means 4 times we have to add 3. So 0 to 3, 3 to 6, then 6 to 9, and then 9 to 12. We can draw this line as much we want. Okay, here I have just written the number up to 12 because this was my need. So according my need I have written. You can write according to your need. Got it? I hope it is clear to you. Right now, in this way we can present multiplication on number line. Okay, now I am going to rub it. Now I will explain repeated addition by taking one more example. Okay, for example, if I am adding 2 one time, I am adding 2 one time. Okay, 2 one time only. Okay, so I can write in that way. If I am adding this 2 times, 1, 2, so I can write like that. Right now, so it will be 2 plus 2, 4. Now if I am adding this 2 3 times, so it will be 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, now see here, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Now if I am adding this 2 4 times, so 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Now I am adding this 2 5 times. So it will be 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Then 6 times. I am increasing the number. Okay. So just add up the 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, or 10 plus 2, 12. Then I am adding this 2 7 times. So it will be 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, and 12 plus 2, 14. So how many times these are? 7. So 7 multiplied by 2, 14. Now let us see this from beginning. What is happening here? 2, then we got 4, then we got 6, then we got 8, then we got 10, then we got 12, then we got 14. Now see here, this was the table of 2 na. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14. Oh, in that way we are getting this table. Right now? I hope you got it properly. How we are getting this table? By adding the numbers. One time addition means nothing. So 2 I have written, then 2 times 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. Then 3 times. Just 2. So So 2 plus 2 means 3 times we are adding 2, we are getting 6. Now you can see in that way we are getting the tables. If in place of 2, I am taking 3. Okay, here 3, so 3 will be here. Here 3 plus 3, so 6 will be here. Then 3 plus 3 plus 3, so 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 will be here. And here you will get 3 multiplied by 3. In that way we can make the table of 3 also. Many tables are given in your book. Okay, and just to practice repeated addition or just to know how we are getting the tables, you can practice for them. I hope up to here you got whatever I explained you. Okay, if you didn't get, you can comment also. Okay, so I'll explain the same thing again. Okay, till then just keep practicing. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.